Hey everyone, I wanted to create another video on another Mac app that I really enjoy that I think more people should know about. I'm sure a majority of you that come across this video have already got this app, but I wanted to just bring up a one little thing that I think is going to really help you because I do get mixed reviews on this app. So the app is called CleanMyMac, okay? And what it essentially is, it's a Mac app that allows that essentially can scan for unnecessary files, free up memory, free up all this stuff for your Mac. Makes it a lot easier to just clean unnecessary stuff, applications, whatever, right? So, I've been using that product for about 3 years, but the product I was using was Clean My Mac at X, Clean My Mac X, right? And it was working well. But I ran into this issue last October on my MacBook Air where I was running out of space, right? For some reason, I bought the 256 gigabyte MacBook Air 15 inch with the M1 or M1 chip, and I got the 250 gigabyte. I should have got the 500, but anyway, I went to go view my storage, and in my storage, it pretty much stated that there is storage that was filled up that I wasn't going to be able to remove. And so I tried all these things. I even downloaded Dev Cleaner because I code, and Xcode does, take up a lot of data and memory. And so I'm going to do a little review on this later. That did help temporarily, but it only ended up clearing up like 5 gigabytes. So then I got an email from Clean My Mac X team, and they said, "Hey, we got a brand new Mac app called Clean My Mac. You can upgrade for free. Um, you already got your license." So I said, "Okay." Um, I went ahead and essentially upgraded for free. And I'm not sure if my camera is still visible because it looks frozen, so I apologize. Okay, we're good. So I went and upgraded it for free, and the app looks even more beautiful than Clean My Mac X, which I didn't think was possible. I mean, we have these beautiful micro animations, beautiful color gradients. I mean, look how the 3D icons, like it's so nice. And when I first downloaded this, the crazy thing was it was like, when I started scanning. Oh, some's already scanning. So when I did this and when did my scan, right, it was like, hey, like we can clear up to 64 gigabytes of unused of memory that's being taken up by Xcode. And that's what I've been trying to do from the get-go. And I did that, and it's given my MacBook Air a new life. So I had to do a review on this. Pretty much what you would want to do is you would want to come in here, and I would do a smart care first. Then after that, I would then do a cleanup, right? And make sure you're protected after that. Same with performance, and then I'd go through like applications you don't want, make sure everything's updated. Do things like this, like it notifies me about stuff like this, and then like my clutter if you want to at the end. But really dope app. I mean, beautiful looking app. It works really well. And if you haven't checked it out already and you're having memory issues and you don't want to carry or lug something like this around or save things on here all the time, Clean My Mac could be your savior. Remember, it's Clean My Mac, not Clean My Mac X. So hope you enjoyed this review. It's a short one, but it's a good one, and it's a product I think every Mac owner should definitely own because it takes care of your Mac from the bottom up. So hope you enjoyed this episode. I'll be back with another episode soon. I'm only going to be covering Mac apps from now on because I feel like we need to know more about these Mac apps out there, right? Because everyone has Macs. So hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed all the content I'm creating. Please click that to subscribe. Please comment an app that you want me to check out next, and more importantly, like this video.